G'day, Logan here from Napier Electric Company. Here we have our cable scrap bin full of some old TRS cable we've just pulled out of a house we're currently rewiring. I thought it'd be a great opportunity to show you the difference between old non-compliant cable and new current standard good compliant cables. Clearly we can see the difference here quite easily. This is a compliant TPS cable, so a tough plastic sheath. As you can see, it has all the current codes, color codes, red, green, yellow for earth and black for neutral. Whereas on your tough rubber sheath cable, you've got red phase, which is normal. You've got exposed bare earth, we call it, and your neutral. The insulation on this is usually quite brittle. This is actually in pretty good condition for a power cable. As you can see, this is a classic example of what happens when the cable gets brittle. You can hear the cracking of the cable and you can just peel the insulation off like that. This poses a major threat when opening switchboards to check for compliance, as if that happens while cables are live, there's a huge fire risk that could happen. People crawling around in ceilings and moving cables also creates this risk. Also high risk of electrical shock. As you can see, this lighting cable has no earth. So if you spot any of this cable in your ceiling space or run surface in, say, garages, it's best to contact us here at Napier Electric. We'll come out and check it out for you. This is actually a relatively good condition TRS, tough rubber sheath cable, but that's where it belongs. In the scrap bin, we need to come in and replace the cable for nice and compliant tough plastic sheath cabling and upgrade your circuit protection so your home and your family are safe from electrical fire or electrical fault. Hope that helps, guys. Have a good one.